everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. You know how much I appreciate it. Today I am doing a hair unit beauty makeover transformation on a very special model. Wait until you meet her. She is something else. Stay tuned and you'll see what I mean.
I hate everything. Oh, this is beautiful.
Well, thank you.
There you go.
How unique you are. Hold on to your money. We ain't done yet.
Oh,
We haven't even started.
okay, all right. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Sweet. Jesus.
Have a seat here.
I'm gonna be having a seat.
Okay.
That sure is. Okay.
Y'all, this is Miss Cookie. I told you she's a mess, didn't I?
I am. I'm a mess.
She is Cookie of Cookie's Corner. She's got her own talk show on Facebook, and I don't even know what to say about it other than she is out of this world. You gotta see it. She is unlike anybody else that you've ever seen. And she's got just gorgeous hair. Look at that silky hair. I've known this girl for over 30 years.
Over 30 years.
Yes, ma'am. And she's still as beautiful as she was when I first met her.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
She beautiful too, honey. We just look good in age, you know. I'm 60, but she's older than me, but we look like we 30.
We hanging in there.
We sure is.
And this is a little pretty girl that I have got for you.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
And I am going to transform this T-wig into a hair unit that fits Cookie. We need a break, right? Let's go eat some greens and pigtails.
Let's go eat that. Hold on.
I'm ready.
Oh, I'm ready too. Woo.
Here you go. Can you handle this pigtail, Miss Thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Pigtails look good, honey.
White potatoes. We'll give you
Okay.
one. We got plenty of those.
I love it.
You want to try half the dumpling?
I love dumplings.
Good, good, good.
Girl, you done really
And
got
now the main course.
Yes.
Are the greens.
Yes, man.
Ma'am.
Yes.
There you go.
Amen, Lord. Amen.
Amen. All right.
I love it, honey.
Thank you.
Dumplings.
Thank you.
I ain't had a dumpling in God knows when. This is off the chain right here.
Good. I'm so glad you're enjoying it.
Cookies Corner.
Cookies Corner. Miss Cookie Corner. She's gonna have her show on tonight. Oh my
Yes.
goodness. Remember everybody, I'm gonna put a link in the video so you can visit her channel and see her unique style. But this right here is, as they would say, pop in. Oh wow, this has been such a wonderful day,
Yes,
Cookie, didn't we?
yes, it was a
We
wonderful
hung
day.
out, we ate, and gave her this beautiful makeover
Thank
transformation. You are welcome. You look
Appreciate it,
wonderful. You are very welcome. Everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this special transformation makeover with my girl here from Cookie's Corner, Cookie. Yes, I thank you all so very much for joining me. I really appreciate it, and I'm coming to you very soon with another transformation makeover. Before you leave, if you've not done so already, you know what I'm doing here on this channel, so please subscribe, like, tell others, and most of all, hit that notification bell so you will always know when I am working my magic. Take care, everybody. You want to say bye, Cookie?
Bye. Cookie's Corner
See you
say
next
bye.
time. Cookie Corner says bye. See you next time, guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.